Hey guys, this is Code with Shark. Today we're going to be making this brick breaker game. So first, let's create a new project. And let's first make the blocks. I'm going to make it this long rectangle. And I also am going to make the background black. And you can make the rectangle any size, but there is a part that you need to be cautious of. So we need this repeat 4, and then you need to move 10 steps. I'm going to do 80, but this is the part. You might have to adjust this block depending on what size your rectangle is. And I'm also going to position it with the Y of 150 and X of negative 200. And I also forgot we need to create a clone. I can make it a little bit farther. And then like 5. Okay, and then we can do repeat 5, set X to negative 240, change Y by negative 30. As you see, we have these many bricks, quite a lot of bricks, way more than I had before. And we also wanted to hide. And when I start out as a clone, wherever, if touching, we can just keep it for mouse pointer for now. Delete this clone. Right now, our mouse is basically the ball, and also when I start out as a clone, show. So right now, our mouse is basically the ball. And we can make a script called generate anyway, I'm just gonna call it block and run it without screen refresh and put this here and then just start putting in block, and now it instantly starts. And now we want to make another rectangle, not too big, because this is going to be the pattern. When green flag is clicked, we need to give it a Y position and X position. So X position will be 0, and Y position will be negative 150. And then forever set X, go to mouse X. And then now you see. And now let's make the ball. And now we can make the ball a circle. I need to see something. Goes to perfectly. I'm gonna change this to 4. Yep, that's better. Because I changed it to 4 because your Y position cannot be 0 or bigger. I mean 0 or smaller. It cannot be 0 or smaller. And then when clicked, we wanted to wait 1 second. So 0.5, so the player will have a time to react. And then we want to go to 0, 0. And point in direction 180. And then forever. If touching sprite 1, point in direction, we could do negative 120 to 120. And then we can do, if touching sprite 2, we can do negative 60 to 60. And if we need less than, greater than, if x position is greater than negative, if x position is smaller than negative 230, then we want to stop all because they lost. And now if you see, alright, we also want it to be moving 3 steps, which will be pretty slow. So we can just be moving 5 steps. And finally now, instead of touching mouse pointer, we need to do sprite 3 and sprite 1. Boom. Alright. Also here, these 2 blocks have to go before the 0.5 seconds. And now, we also need to put in if on edge bounce. So now we see. There's a random directions. Alright. You can also lose a weird way. Instead of negative 230, we need to change the Y position instead. And now, negative 108.70, And then we can see it should be if negative 60. Now, if Y position is less than negative 60. Yes, so now we can lose. And now we have a kind of a problem. It's not bouncing off the bricks. The problem is it just deletes this clone too fast. So we can just wait 0 seconds. Well, you might be saying to me, that's just like nothing. But 0 seconds and Scratch is 1 screen refresh. So now if we see, it will bounce off the bricks. And I'm going to change this to 10. And then you have the game now. And this is the end of today's video.